Thank you so much for watching Baby Television Uganda, wherever you are watching from. We are always here to give you all the news updates from our country, Uganda, and from the National Unity Platform, an opposition party that is mostly famous in the country and to the entire world for challenging the dictatorship of General Museveni. And in today's news, the city lawyer files a lawsuit against Anthony Geno and the United Kingdom government for defaming Speaker Anita Mong, who was recently sanctioned as announced by the government of United Kingdom. Now, the Soroti-based city lawyer, none other than Joshua Okello, has formally filed a lawsuit against the Anthony Geno of Uganda and the United Kingdom government in the High Court Civil Division of Kampala for defaming Uganda's Speaker of Parliament, Anita Among. Now, in his legal action, Okello requests the High Court to affirm that the iron sheets were indeed distributed to the public schools and that Mr. Andrew Michel, who criticized Speaker Anita Mong for passing the Anti-Homosexuality Act, failed to specify how Anita Mong personally benefited from them in his statement. Additionally, this lawyer also seeks a declaration that Speaker Anita Mong has never been accused of corruption in any court of law, contrary to the implications on the statement that was made by Mr. Andrew Michel. Now, Okello also urges that the court to assert that foreign partners, particularly in the United Kingdom, should respect Uganda's sovereignty, and he further demands the Amanda's order preventing the United Kingdom government or its representatives to unlawfully imposing sanctions on the Speaker of the Parliament of Uganda, especially travel restrictions and asset freezes. Now, an order prohibiting the respondent from exerting influence on decision makers to conform to the value system, particularly regarding homosexuality, and this has been included in the lawsuit by this city lawyer Okello. Furthermore, Okello calls for a Mendes order barring foreign partners, especially the United Kingdom or the respondent, from the interfering in Uganda's internal affairs. He also asks for compensation for the damages and the legal costs. Now, according to Okello, the statement released on the United Kingdom government's website that was announcing sanctions against Speaker Anita Mong based on alleged corruption involving the iron sheets distributed by the Prime Minister's office is now called a mislead. Now, Speaker Anita Mong and other two ministers have never faced corruption charges in any court of law, and this is contrary to the statement that insinuates, as published by Michel. Okello also urges that the iron sheets were merely a pretext to mask the actual reason for the sanctions, which is Speaker Among's position on the recently enacted Anti-Homosexuality Act. The lawyer also asserts that the truth is that the iron sheets were legitimately distributed to public schools, and Mr. Andrew Michel failed to provide any evidence of Speaker Among's personally benefiting from them in his statement. He also said that it is imperative that foreign partners, including the United Kingdom, uphold Uganda's sovereignty and refrain from interfering in their democratic affairs by publishing or pressurizing decision makers to conform to their values. especially regarding homosexuality. His lawsuit also includes. Now, this is also a saturating story that is going viral on different social media handles, and this has also been followed by the Dubai sanction of the Speaker of Parliament, Anita Mong, plus the two ministers. Agnes Nandutu and Mary Goretti Chitutu, and this has led to panic in their career, although the government of Uganda calls it a nonsense act of causing sanctions on this speaker. Now, thank you so much for watching Babi Television Uganda, and that has all been for now. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell so that you're always notified whenever we post any news on Babi Television Uganda. That has been all for now. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay tuned on Babi Television Uganda. See you in the next